Hello everyone, good morning. This is Elsie and now we're back to another reaction. Today we're gonna be reacting to the song This I Promise You with Katrina Velarde, Sam Mangubat, Kemo Gumatay, JM Yusher, and Raiben Umali. So this was gonna be very exciting. Yeah, I just feel like na dumaan ito sa wall ko para makapag-react tayo. So without further ado, guys, dive in. Yeah, let's watch all the video together. Yeah, and enjoy all together. Yeah, let's have fun. Mag-react tayo. This was gonna be a different experience. Let's go. Come on. Oh, nice. This is live. This I promise you. Yeah, so that's the title of the song. Oh wow, Katrina. Lamig. Lamig. Yeah, nice voice. Oh. Ganda. What a start. Nice. Ang lamig ng boses, no? Wow. Oh. Ang gaganda ng boses. And maganda rin ang blending. JM. Maganda naman ang boses nila, no? Nice, Katrina. And I promise you never will you hurt anymore. I give you my word, I give you my heart. This is a battle with one, and with this vow, forever has now begun. Ang ganda collaboration, ha? I think this is the first time that they collaborate with each other. Yeah. Parang gagaling nila. Ganda. Galing, galing na. Oh, the emotion.
promise you.
Oh.
I promise you. This I promise you.
Oh, wow. Galing. I promise you. Katrina Velarde, Sam Mangubat, Kemo Gumatay, J.M. Usher, Raven O'Malley, originally performed by NSYNC, written by Richard Mark. Oh, wow. Produced by Katrina Velarde. Oh, so Katrina is the one producing this one. Keyboard and programming, Teddy Katigbak. Mix and mastered by Teddy Katigbak. Okay. Backup vocals sung by Katrina, Sam, Kemo, JM, Rivena. So they're the one backing up their songs also. Directed by Michael Angelo Loyola. Oh, wow. Galing, no? Galing nila. Galing ng pagkakagawa. Yeah, galing ng pagkakaproduce. Right? Yeah. Nasa loob sila ng studio, right? So, ang galing talaga ng pagkakamaster at pagkakaproduce. Yeah, galing. So, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do, please do subscribe to my channel. Yeah. And press that notification bell so that every time that I upload a new video, you will always be notified. Once again, thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye-bye.